protein and probiotics. I'm here with Chef Alex Hamilton.
Hi.
And we have a most amazing snack that is full of protein, full of probiotics, and you can easily enjoy as is or add and improve any meal. All right, Alex, what do we got here?
So these are the probiotic pickled eggs.
Yeah.
I mean, the way that they used to be made, you know, not like no just vinegar. This is lacto fermented.
Yeah.
We have the brine already made, so we don't ferment them in the brine, so to say. They get added to the brine. We let them do their thing for a little while, and they harden up into this like pickled, delicious. Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, and one can just eat it as it is. You can chop it up into a salad. You can put it on a sandwich, like you name it. And yeah, what I love about these is they're quick, they're easy, and they're tasty, and full of protein, full of probiotics. These ones here, I can see little bits of dill kind of floating, dill and garlic. So that's the brine that you put them in. And very simple. The process is you hard boil them, and of course source eggs well. We got some amazing local raised eggs of the highest quality. Hard boil them, peel them, and then prop them in a probiotic brine. And then how long do you let them sit in there for?
It's 3 days, and then we package them. And then they'll just keep doing their thing. Yeah,
and infuse in there.
And it's a good way to preserve them too. They last way longer. I mean, I've had some in the back of my fridge. Yeah. And I found them. And I'm like, oh, well, okay, give it a try. Like always. And then I'm like, oh, wow, okay,
totally.
And they're still good. I mean, then just packed with exactly protein and probiotics. So
yeah, for sure. Cool. Well, there you go. There's a nice, quick, easy snack, whether you're on the go or sitting down to a gourmet meal. These will do it for you.
And also, I was thinking we could do like a light cellar Cobb salad. You got to get your own lettuce or foraged. From the foraging forecast. Yeah. Some of these chopped up. Some of the jerky, some of the nice smoky jerky, some seeds, the Fiesta seeds, and then the Haskap vinaigrette. We got like a kind of Cobb salad.
There we go. That's awesome. Yeah. Cool. All right. Right on. Well, these are available on the regular. You'll find them in the fridge next to all of our other ferments. Hope you try them. Hope you enjoy them.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon.
Bye for now.